Hi guys, so in this video we will be discussing some common myths about actuarial science. So one of the common myth is that actuarial science is only about math. So definitely yes, math and statistical skills are required a lot in order to pursue this field, and it involves a lot of logical calculations and interpretations. But apart from mathematical and statistical knowledge, we are involved in real world analyzing, we are involved in interpreting data. So there are a lot of other things also to understand apart from maths. Second important myth is that we feel that actuaries only work in insurance sectors, but that's not true, because we have actuarial jobs nowadays evolving in banking and finance, in pensions, risk consulting, risk management. So apart from insurance companies, we have other domains also to look for. Third common myth is that actuaries, in order to become full-fledged actuary, you need to be maths genius. As I said, maths and statistical skills definitely are required, but even if you are just average in maths, but keen interest towards solving mathematical and complex problem, then you can definitely excel in this field. So you require a keen interest in maths, and basic 11th 12th maths is required in order to become an actuary. Another common myth is that if you are clearing exam, we can get a high paying job. Yes, definitely clearing exam enables you to get a job, but apart from clearing exams, you have to be very good in communication skills, in your interpersonal skills. You have to be very good with, for example, with respect to Excel, with respect to R, in order to make sure that you are learning practical knowledge also apart from theoretical knowledge of exams. And another common myth is that actuarial science is just a boring text job. So that's not true, because as I said, we are involved in analyzing day-to-day problems, day-to-day data interpretation is there. So complex thinking, lot of application skills, a lot of understanding with respect to situation, and as circumstances keep on changing, your role, your job also keeps on changing. So it's not a simple desk job. Regularly day-to-day thinking and a lot of application skills are required to pursue this role. So definitely it's not a boring job. A lot of analysis and risk management skills, risk analysis skills are required to enter into actuarial and to be well versed with your job profile. So here are some of the common myths about actuarial science. So I hope the common questions that keep on coming into your mind related to these myths are cleared after this video. Stay tuned for more videos coming to your way. Thank you. Happy learning.